Look at this transformation. Same guy, 12 months apart. It's not genetics, it's not surgery. He fixed 5 critical mistakes that are probably destroying your attractiveness right now without you even realizing it. In the next few minutes, I'm breaking down exactly what changed and how you can do the same. If you're new here, hit subscribe. I post videos like this every week. Real advice, zero BS. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, carrying face fat. Look at the before, soft, undefined, no jawline. Now the after, sharp, structured, angular. Here's the problem. You can't spot reduce face fat. Your face reflects your entire body. Here's the fix. Hit the gym 4 to 5 times weekly. Compound movements, squats, deadlifts, bench press, rows. Add 20 to 30 minutes of cardio. Walking on an incline works great. Eat 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Chicken, eggs, fish, Greek yogurt. Cut processed foods while you're transforming. They cause bloating and inflammation. Drop to 12 to 15% body fat, and your facial features will finally show. Hit that like button if you're seeing value here. Let's keep going. Mistake number 2, ignoring your hormones. High testosterone means defined jawline, faster muscle growth, better energy. Low testosterone, you look soft and feel tired. Most guys today have low testosterone from poor sleep, sitting all day, and eating the wrong foods. Here's the fix. Train heavy. Compound lifts trigger the biggest hormonal response. Eat for testosterone. Red meat, eggs, oysters, pumpkin seeds, avocados, and olive oil. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. Your testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Get 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight. It boosts vitamin D and testosterone. Avoid microwaving food in plastic. Use glass or stainless steel instead. Give it 8 to 12 weeks. You'll notice more energy, better mood, faster results. If you haven't subscribed, do it now. New videos every week with strategies that actually work. Mistake number 3, neglecting your frame. Look at the after photo. His shoulders are broader, his waist is tighter. That V-taper creates masculine presence. Wide shoulders signal strength. You can have a decent face, but without frame, you won't turn heads. Here's how to build it. Prioritize shoulders and back. Overhead press, lateral raises, pull-ups, rows. Don't skip legs. They balance your physique and boost testosterone. Tighten your waist by losing body fat and building your core. Train consistently for 6 months. Your entire silhouette will change. Who looks better in the comparison? Everyone picks the after. Why? Because frame commands attention. Which mistake are you making right now? Drop a comment. I read every one. Mistake number 4, poor grooming habits. Grooming means looking intentional and like you respect yourself. The checklist? Keep your beard trimmed and shaped. If you can't grow a full beard, stay clean shaven. Clean up your eyebrows. Remove unibrow hairs and strays. Keep them natural. Use whitening strips twice a week. A bright smile makes you instantly more attractive. Apply lip balm with SPF. Keeps your lips healthy and prevents chapping. Get a haircut that suits your face shape. A good haircut elevates your entire look. Check the hairstyle guide linked below if you need help choosing. Know a guy who needs this? Send him this video. Help your brothers level up. Mistake number 5, quitting too early. This is the real killer. Most guys never reach their potential because they give up after 2 weeks. They hit the gym for a few days, eat clean for a weekend. Then they stop and wonder why nothing changed. Here's the truth. Transformation takes time. Not days, not weeks, months. You won't see results immediately, but if you stay consistent for 8 to 12 weeks, you'll start noticing changes. By 6 months, other people will notice. By 12 months, you'll be unrecognizable. You don't need to become a model or celebrity. You just need to become the best version of yourself. That's it. 5 mistakes fixed, 5 areas to focus on. Pick one thing and start today. Before you go, subscribe. New videos every week on self-improvement and fitness. Hit like, it pushes this to more guys who need it. Comment which mistake hit hardest. I'll reply to as many as I can. Share this with a friend who's leveling up. Now stop watching. Go put in the work. See you in the next one.